guys, so the temps are rising and you know what that means. Ladies, we plan in a spicy girl summer where no one's sun is finna to stress us out. And so the idea of this piqued my interest in creating a fun drink. And one thing about this Caribbean gal is that she loves her tropical flavors, with mango being #1. Haitian mangoes to be exact, because if you know, you know. Mojitos are deliciously refreshing on a hot summer day and literally one of my favorite drinks. So it was a no-brainer that the two would make the perfect combo. So I'm gonna show you how I make my spicy Man-Go On Mojito. So stay tuned. The ingredients you'll need for this cocktail are mangoes, mint leaves, rum, lime juice, simple syrup, sugar, tamarindo, and tahini. And I decided to pair this sizzling cocktail with a delicious mango salsa that I chefed up using my leftover mango chunks. Now, this may seem like a little bit of mango overload, which, let's be real, is there even such a thing as too much mango? However, I do feel like the spiciness of the cocktail works well in tandem with the refreshingly sweet flavor of the salsa. And so they emanate this interesting dichotomy of spicy and fresh, kind of like how sweet and sour work well together as a dynamic duo. My Caribbean roots had me fiending for some plantain chips as opposed to nachos, and the combo of the mango salsa with the plantain chips is chef's kiss. Now it's your turn to try this spicy girl summer cocktail. I've listed all the ingredients below and the full recipe can be found on my blog, link in my bio. Cheers, ladies!